What's going on, guys? Down at Mountain Creek today with a couple Seatown homies. Malik, Sebi, Max over here in the background.
Watching videos.
Yeah, Max is dialed in trying to fix his bike over there. We've been on the mountain for about an hour, did 3 runs, taking a little lunch break, and we're gonna get back out there. Send it, Max, I got you. Yeah, dude. A crowd right on the trail.
Yeah, you want to wait?
Oh my God, look at this. Hit the booter though. Whoa! Brake bump. Hey, one more than water break? One more? I have a flat, fuck. Just got a flat on that last run. Yep, right there. All right, the hole's not that big, and I have sealant in this tire, so I'm really hoping the sealant is gonna plug the hole. Pretty low on pressure right now. I'm gonna pump it back up and just keep my fingers crossed the rest of the day. I do have extra tubes if I need them in the truck, but trying not to go that route right now. Another 10-minute break, and we're gonna get back out there. Max, man, ripping, dude. Killing it. Malik just bought a bike the other day and he's freaking already ripping, shredder. And man, I haven't ridden with you since last season. You got a lot faster, bud.
Thanks, bro.
Whew. All right, 10 minutes, boys. Come on.
Yeah, we can.
All right, so it turns out the leak in my tire was actually pretty bad and the sealant could not handle it. So I just switched the tire around real quick, put a tube in it, and Malik's messing with his pedals or something over there, and then we're gonna get back into the trails.
But are they as wide? I think they are. Probably.
Yo, Ben, Brian, Dan, check this out. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, nice. Get it, Max.
No.
Good save.
Good? Oh, damn. Good? Yeah.
He laid it down slow, so. What do we got?
No, you definitely should. That's pretty big.
Yeah, it looks pretty deep, bud.
I guess we're done.
All right, it's just me and Malik left over here.
One run took out 2 guys.
Yeah, Sebi broke his bike and Max hurt his knee, so we're gonna get a few more runs in while they go find the first aid station and link up with them in a little bit. We're not done. Another flat! That was a crazy way to end the day. Me and Malik got back on the mountain, and about halfway down I got my second flat of the day. Max is hurt over there, his bike's broken, so that's it for today.
That's it, baby.
We're taking off. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
And to top it all off, I broke my seat and it won't even come down now.